Choosing the right soldering rework station can be tricky. Unstable temperatures, slow heating, poor airflow in low-quality tips often lead to damaged components in messy solder joints. That's why a reliable rework station is essential for electronics repair, PCB work, and SMD soldering. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best soldering rework stations. Powerful, precise, and built for both beginners and professionals. We analyzed specs, real user feedback, and overall performance to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tool reviews. Number 5. Silverflo 8586D 2-in-1 Soldering Rework Station. The Silverflo 8586D is a versatile 2-in-1 rework station combining a hot air gun and soldering iron in one compact unit. It features dual digital displays for precise temperature control and includes a smart 10-minute sleep mode to save energy and extend tool life. Designed mainly for SMD rework, it delivers stable airflow and consistent heat for desoldering chips and connectors. Ideal for repair shops and DIY users, this station offers solid performance at an affordable price. Number 4. 938BD2 740-watt Hot Air Rework Station. The YIHUA 938BD2 is a powerful 740-watt hot air rework station built for efficient PCB and SMD repairs. It comes with a high-quality soldering iron and an integrated LED lamp that improves visibility during detailed work. The fast heat-up time, stable airflow, and accurate temperature control make it reliable for long repair sessions. Suitable for technicians and hobbyists alike, this station delivers durability, safety, and consistent results for everyday electronics repair tasks. Number 3. Sugon A9 Lead-Free Soldering Rework Station. The Sugon A9 is a professional-grade soldering station designed for lead-free electronic welding and precision work. It supports multiple handle types, including 210, 245, and 115, and is compatible with original high-quality soldering tips. Known for rapid heating and excellent temperature stability, it's ideal for advanced PCB repair, chip-level work, and fine solder joints. If you need flexibility, accuracy, and long-term reliability, the Sugon A9 is a strong mid-range option. Number 2. FNIRSI DWS200 200-watt Smart Soldering Station. The FNIRSI DWS200 is a high-power 200-watt soldering station designed for fast, precise, and efficient electronic repairs. It supports C210 and C245 soldering iron handles, offering quick heat-up and excellent thermal recovery. The included soldering helping hand improves stability during complex jobs, making it ideal for PCB repair and component replacement. With smart temperature control and solid build quality, this station is perfect for users who want speed, accuracy, and professional-level performance. Number 1. QECOO T12956 Digital Soldering Station. The QECOO T12956 is the most advanced soldering station on this list, featuring a sharp 1.3-inch OLED display and a durable black M8 handle. It uses T12 soldering iron tips known for rapid heating and precise temperature control. The digital interface allows accurate adjustments, making it perfect for micro-soldering, PCB work, and professional electronics repair. Reliable, efficient, and highly responsive, this station delivers premium performance for serious technicians. A good soldering rework station ensures clean joints, stable temperatures, and reliable repairs. These 5 models offer excellent power, precision, and value for different skill levels. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, there's a perfect option here. Which one do you use? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.